guys, enough for me, so welcome back to my channel. Last video was monster truck video. Just a little break before the Super Bowl. We're eating Nerd Rope, and it's kind very berry. Tear and share. Sweet, crunchy, and soft and chewy inside. New look, same product. If you want to know how many calories, it's 90. Total fat, none. Hand! I have to go get my hand. I'll be right back. Thanks, hand. You open it for me. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like a worm. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. This tastes a little bit different from the regular one, but it's good. So thank you guys for watching this quick video, and information out. Peace.